Crystal and I recently completed an adventure on the Scarlet Lady, one of the new ships of Virgin Voyages. It was very unique and we are excited to tell you all about it. We plan to do a video on the opportunities to stay fit, the lounging areas, the good food in the restaurants, the fun activities to do on board, our trip to Bimini, and video of what we liked, could have done without, and some of the major differences between the Scarlet Lady and the other major cruise ships. Comments below on additional Virgin Voyage videos we can do for you. If this sounds good to you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you can be one of the first to see the upcoming videos. If you're interested in doing a Virgin Voyage cruise trip, contact Crystal so she can help you out.